Hi Devops engineers, welcome to Devops Wonder, Devops for all. This is tutorial series. We are going to see about essential Git commands part 4. We are going to see about Git branching strategies. So what is a branch? A branch is an essential feature which is created in the Git and the version control system. So it is allowing the developers to work on new features or bug fixes independently without affecting the main code base. Once that is done, we can merge it in the mainstream branch. Git commit. The git commit will create a new commit with the latest changes that we have added on our git stage. So we have used to git add commands to push all the files to the stage, and these staged files are going to be created as a new commit, the latest changes that we made, and the commit message you can give us a description here. So like the command is git commit -m commit message. So this commit message will show what is the task you have worked on. Demonstration. So on the left side we have the added files which are added to the git add command, and the changed added files are present here on the left side, and when we give this the git commit, it will go to the commit stage. It has the files committed with the message and it is ready for push. Git commit versus svn commit. So in the svn commit we can provide a commit as a centralized location, and everyone can share from there. But in the Git commit, it is a distributed system, so we can share easily on each and every commits. Git commit, how it works. So commits are the basic building blocks of a Git project. Unlike to make a centralized storage like SVN, we have distributed repositories here and share the codes on commits as snapshots. And Git records the entire file on each commit instead of storing only the differences like in SVN. So the entire file will be noted on the each commit, and that will be distributed over the repos. Git commit, the common options. The common options are the git commit, the basic command, which is used to staged snapshot is committed here, and when we use git commit -a, the staged snapshot of git add stage is committed, and when we are using git commit -m message, the staged snapshot is committed with a message, and the message will be the commit name here. Git commit common options. We can also use git commit -am message. So the command uses a and m and add all the staged changes to the commit, and git command -amend is there. So to modify the last commit instead of creating a new commit, we can use the staged changes will be added to the previous commit using the amend option. The amend option will open the last commit and just edit the last commit and save it. So note here we are not creating a new commit, we just edit the last commit is the amend command. Please like, share, comment and subscribe Devops Wonder, Devops for all. Thank you for watching. Thanks.